Remember the video in where we have created an APK payload in MSF Venom? Well, you can do the same by injecting a legit app with this payload. So as you can see here, this is the command we use to inject a legit application. Here the application is crm.apk. It is the same command I've used earlier. This has to have a hyphen here before that. So MSF Venom, you're injecting the crm.apk with the reverse TCP Android payload. And here you have to put your IP and port number. And this is the output. This is the output. So you can do the same for any APK you can extract from your phone, you download from the internet, you download from APK Mirror, etc. Even for the famous ones like WhatsApp and Facebook. So you just run it here, you install the, you inject it with the payload, and there you go. Now I want to tell you about a mobile framework I'll be showcasing now. It's called Mobile Security Framework, MOBSF. You can find it here on GitHub. I'll share the install because it's already installed on my machine here. To install it, you just have to just copy paste these commands. First install Python 3, then Python 3-venv. Then you clone it from the repository here on GitHub. Then you, let me go here with you now. So I'll open the terminal. I'll go ls, I'll cd to the Mobile Security Framework. I'll do ls again. To run it for the first time, you just have to do // and setup.sh. But now it's already there. I'll do run.sh instead. So once you run it, it will, let me do that again because I'm in the Kali user, not the root. So once you do that, the service will start and it will be accessible on the localhost 8000 port. Just copy that, go to your browser and just paste the URL. And here we go. This is the main interface. Now you can upload any APK you want to analyze. For example, you have 2 APK versions before the payload and after the payload, anything. So we will upload an APK here, the one that we have created earlier, trojansign.apk. And let's see the result of such analysis. It came very fast. So it will tell us here an overview on the application, one activity, one service, one receiver. Let's go down a bit. It will tell us the application is signed. These are the details of the signature. If you go down, here comes the important information. This is the Android manifest.xml file. It will automatically highlight the dangerous permissions. So you're doing static malware analysis, but with the help of a tool here. The dangerous permissions are highlighted in red, and there is a description and explanation next to it. Going down, it will tell you as well some analysis of the structure of the application. So the HTTPS connections are found in this Java file here. So this Java, it will give you a guideline on how to do the static malware analysis. It's a very helpful tool. Now where the sockets as well can be found in this file, and so on, so forth. This is a very important piece of information for our static analysis. Going down, here it will highlight the issues. For example, you have a broadcast receiver issue and a service issue. These are shared between this application and the other, and the severity is high. Going down as well, it will highlight another issues related to the hashing or the encryption being used. it's weak hashing. Here is the app uses an insecure random generation over. So again, it's a very important tool that will give you all these important information. You can take it further by doing your own analysis. So if I think let me see here as well, if the application is using SQLite, it will tell you all the information on that aspect here. So you can upload the malicious APK or the APK in question to VirusTotal, for example. It will do the analysis, but this tool will go one step further to perform that. Keep in mind here that this tool can be downloaded as a Docker version. The Docker version only have static analysis and not dynamic analysis. So feel free to play around with the tool. It's really helpful. And it will give you much more insights on what's going on in any application.